Hi, welcome back. Cooking with Kevin on Thursday. Oddly enough though, we're having tacos. Taco Tuesday, even though it's Thursday.
So funny.
Okay.
It's Taco Tuesday.
I don't really need your comments. This is my video. I think we went over this last week.
No, what's the coverage video?
Not really a whole lot to do for tacos.
Nope.
You pick your favorite shells. We're gonna try the stand and stuff lime shells, normal taco kit, soft tacos, all our condiments, cheese, green pepper, tomato, onion, lettuce, some, I almost say green pepper, they're not quite green,
Nope.
they're yellow.
Don't forget these.
He doesn't care about
Oh, you want me to put those in the garbage?
No.
Olives. We're also doing nachos, so we have our salsa, sour cream, our cheese. We got mozzarella and cheddar with the nachos
And why is there two pans?
because my wife insists she wants all this stuff on them. Nachos and cheese, that's what nachos are. Nachos and cheese. Not nachos and cheese and hamburger and black olives and peppers. And no, I just like plain nachos and cheese.
So, I get to share mine with our company. This is Yvette.
Hello.
And let me think. How many years has it been?
22.
22. Our kids went to kindergarten together. Yeah.
It's been 22 years.
Yeah. Cool. And she's got two beautiful doggies. There's Rusty. And there's Trooper. Trooper.
Okay.
It's all about food, though.
So,
Here's Brooke.
so explain to me how Cooking with Kevin on Thursday just turned into Life of a Mill Wife.
Because we love you.
Yeah, like this is my show, not yours.
No, it's the coverage
Okay,
show.
and we have the hamburger over here on the stove. Gonna get ready to cook it up. And extra taco seasoning. We always keep this on hand because we just don't use it in tacos.
No.
No, I actually, believe it or not, I put it on when we do potatoes in the oven just for a little bit of spice, not too much. But yeah, so that's really it. There's not going to be a whole lot
No.
to this dinner. So I basically will bring you back once the hamburger's all cooked up and we're ready to eat.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right.
We're just going to take so many.
We're getting all our stuff together. There's the nachos. Getting ready for the oven. Got the hamburger going over here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bring it back when we put it on the table.
I don't know.
What?
Supper's on the table.
Yeah, it is.
It's supper.
It's supper.
So there's our nachos
You've
with
already taken
goodie
over
stuff.
my show, so you might as well finish.
Supper is supper.
And Lloyd's having a hamburger.
Yeah, because he's different.
All right.
Cool, dude.
You have a special show next week, actually. To talk
Yeah, I do.
So what's your special show? You remember?
I'm not telling them. They'll have to wait.
It's a collab with somebody.
Yes, it is.
All right.
But what we're cooking, we'll
Yeah,
find out next week.
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
bye.
Ciao.